Artificial intelligence AI has transformed numerous areas of our lives, including the way we learn languages. If you're looking to enhance your English speaking skills, AI offers a variety of innovative tools and resources that can make your learning experience more effective and engaging. In this video, we'll explore how AI can help you improve your English speaking abilities and provide practical tips on using these technologies. 1. AI-powered language learning apps. Many language learning apps incorporate AI to personalize the learning experience. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone use AI algorithms to track your progress and adapt lessons to your learning pace and level. They offer speaking exercises that help you practice pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar in an interactive way. How to use. 1. Consistent practice. Dedicate a few minutes each day to practice speaking exercises. 2. Engage with interactive features. Use voice recognition features to practice speaking and receive immediate feedback. 2. AI conversation bots. AI conversation bots can simulate real-life conversations, providing you with opportunities to practice speaking in a stress-free environment. Bots like Replica and various English learning bots on platforms like Facebook Messenger or Telegram can engage you in dialogues on various topics, helping you build confidence and fluency. How to use. 1. Regular conversations. Have daily or weekly conversations with AI bots to practice your speaking skills. 2. Experiment with topics. Discuss different subjects to expand your vocabulary and improve conversational skills. 3. Speech recognition technology. Voice assistants like Google Assistant, Siri, and Amazon Alexa use advanced speech recognition technology to understand and respond to your spoken commands. Interacting with these assistants can help you improve your pronunciation and fluency. How to use. 1. Daily commands. Use voice commands for daily tasks like setting reminders, playing music, or asking for information. 2. Practice pronunciation. Focus on clear and accurate pronunciation to improve the assistant's ability to understand you. 4. AI-driven pronunciation tools. AI-driven pronunciation tools like Elsa Speak and SpeechLane offer specialized exercises to help you improve your pronunciation. These apps use AI to analyze your speech and provide detailed feedback on how to improve specific sounds and intonations. How to use. 1. Targeted practice. Focus on sounds and words that you find challenging. 2. Track progress. Regularly review feedback and track your improvement over time. 5. Online AI tutors. Online platforms like Cambly and Preply offer access to AI-powered tutoring services. These platforms connect you with native English speakers for live conversation practice, and some even incorporate AI tools to enhance the learning experience. How to use. 1. Scheduled sessions. Book regular tutoring sessions to practice speaking with a live tutor. 2. Leverage AI tools. Utilize any AI features offered by the platform for additional practice and feedback. 6. AI-powered writing assistants. While primarily designed for writing, tools like Grammarly and Hemingway use AI to help you improve your written English, which can indirectly enhance your speaking skills by providing feedback on grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure. These tools help you develop a better understanding of the language. How to use. 1. Writing practice. Write essays, emails, or journal entries and use AI tools to check and improve them. 2. Analyze feedback. Pay attention to the corrections and suggestions to understand common mistakes. Practical tips for using AI to improve English speaking. 1. Set clear goals. Identify specific areas of speaking you want to improve, such as pronunciation, fluency, or vocabulary. Setting clear goals will help you choose the right AI tools and measure your progress effectively. 2. Integrate AI into your daily routine. Consistency is key to language learning. Integrate AI tools into your daily routine, whether it's through a language learning app, chatbot conversations, or voice assistant interactions. 3. Combine AI with traditional methods. While AI tools are highly effective, they work best when combined with traditional language learning methods. Complement your AI practice with reading, writing, listening to English media, and engaging in real-life conversations. 4. Seek feedback and reflect. Regularly review the feedback provided by AI tools and reflect on your progress. Spot recurring mistakes in your practice and concentrate on improving those specific areas. 5. Stay motivated and patient. Language learning is a gradual process. Stay motivated by celebrating small achievements and understanding that improvement takes time. Use AI tools as a fun and engaging way to enhance your skills. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.